This 250-acre country park, operated by Nottingham Council, is home to the largest fish ladder in Britain. The racecourse and pool are also home to 220 recorded species of birds and 16 species of dragonflies. The park is based in estates that date back to 1362, and it was opened as a country park in 1978 upon former gravel workings. Colwick was recorded in the Domesday Book as Colwick, with 34 households, putting it in the top 40% of settlements. The tenant-in-chief in 1086 was William Peveril. Colwick is thought to mean Cola, the landowner, and Wick, meaning dairy farm. The site of Colwick Hall is thought to date back to the Saxons, to an owner named Godwin, dating back to at least the 10th century. The hall belonged to the Byrons from the 14th century to the 18th century. The architect of the current face of the hall, which was built in 1776 by local builder Samuel Stretton for Sir John Masters, was John Carr of York. The hall is now a hotel. Some of the buildings belonging to Colwick Hall, such as remains of the Ice House, can be found in Colwick Woods, as Colwick Woods was also part of the Colwick Hall estate. Colwick Woods is ancient woodlands, having continuous woodland for over 600 years, although some came from abandoned 1950s farmland. Savills Spinney in the woods gets its name from Old French espiner, meaning a place of thorns or brambles, and refers to a small patch of woodland. Saville refers to William Saville, who, in 1844, murdered his wife and 3 children there. Nottingham Racecourse was a site of sports for kings, and while horse racing has taken place in Nottingham since 1773, this racecourse was opened in 1892. One of the most famous events to take place at Colwick Park was on the 30th of September 1910, when Jacques-Benjamin de Lesseps, a French aviator, made an emergency landing here after just clearing the trees, although onlookers thought he was going to crash into the Trent. The park is near the River Trent, which is thought to get its name from 2 Celtic words, tros, meaning over, and hint, meaning way, producing troshint, overway, which is believed to mean strong flooding.